Question number 1. Who amongst the following sultans built the fifth story of Qutub Minar? Option A. Kutubuddin Aibak. Option B. Iltutmish. Option C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And option D. Sikandar Lodhi. The correct option is option C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq.
Question number 2. Fire Dragon 480, recently seen in news, is a tactical ballistic missile of which nation? Option A. North Korea. Option B. China. Option C. South Korea. And option D. Japan. And the correct option is option B. China.
Question number 3. Kalsi is famous for option A. Buddhist Chaitas, option B. Persian coins, option C. Rock edicts of Ashoka, and option D. Temples of Gupta period. And the correct option is Rock edicts of Ashoka.
Question number 4. Which African country cancelled IMF tax on citizens after massive protest? Option A. Ethiopia. Option B. Zimbabwe. Option C. Kenya. Option D. South Africa. Correct option is option C. Kenya.
Question number 5. Who is the father of Indian space program? Option A. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. Option B. Dr. Krishnaswamy Kasturirangan. Option C. Dr. Satish Dhawan. And option D. Dr. Homi J. Bhabha. And the correct option is option A. Dr. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai.
Question number 6. Kenya gained independence in the year 1963 from which country? Option A. UK. Option B. France. Option C. Russia. And option D. Germany. And the correct option is option A. UK. Question number 7. The last emperor of Nanda dynasty was option A. Mahapadmananda, option B. Dhanananda, option C. Kalashoka, and option D. None of the above. And the correct option is option B. Dhanananda. Question number 8. World Investment Report 2024 was released recently by UNCTAD. India's FDI saw a fall of option A 100%, option B 43%, option C 10%, and option D 3%. And the correct option is option B 43%. Question number 9. Which of the following is the oldest Purana? Option A. Matsya Purana. Option B. Vayu Purana. Option C. Markandaya Purana. And option D. None of the above. And the correct option is option A. Matsya Purana. Question number 10. Dagestan, which is in the news these days, is a region of which nation? Option A. Afghanistan, option B. Russia, option C. India, and option D. Pakistan. And the correct option is option B. Russia.